Hello everyone, sorry about the mess, but got something there I'm going to be taking out shortly. Got a new grease gun for 15 bucks, some grease, some other things. Went around, greased it all. So, all that's left is to get some of the little bits of twine that's still inside there out. Of course, remove those little bit of rocks in there, you probably can't see them. Got this greased up. Gonna hook it up to the tractor. After I adjust the height of the PTO and the hitch to actually make it work. And then, finally, we come to this, which will be the last step of it all. Gotta be careful with it. Found some twine in town that would actually work. Because this would probably be better with 7,000 twine. This is 9,000. Now, for those of you who don't know, that has to do with the size of it on how it's wound. So 20,000 is really tiny, fine stuff. Like about the half of this size. So that might be right around this size right here. And also, they had 88, but that was out of stock. 88 or 8,800. So that's what I'm going to put in there. Replace those old spools because, well, they're pretty well worn. So that's going to require 2 hands. But, go get that done. Get a drawbar put on there. And we'll see about towing it around. Oh, and break that free. So, be back when I get some of that done. Well, we got it greased up except for a couple of zerts that I found. That's the new twine. There's the old stuff. Well, right there I didn't see until now. And then after these moving some, I found a couple there that I gotta get. Now that they're moved to a position I can get. And then the right one's knotting. But I had to pull that out to make sure they'll time on when they do the knots right, so the knots will be in line with each other. That's what you would preferably want to have. So, take a little bit more time to do it right than do it wrong. Other than that, we're about done. So until I get that finished, I'll adjust this down to the tractor. So, that'll do it for this video. Thanks for watching.